Hey there, I'm Dr. Garland with Oregon Sports and Family Chiropractic, and I wanted to do an unboxing of one of my favorite devices that we sell here in the clinic. It is the Hypervolt Go 2. This is the portable model. It's a little bit smaller, but no less powerful than the regular Hypervolt. So looking at the box here, you can see a pretty small design. It's actually not going to be nearly as big as the Hypervolt, but realistically, it packs a really good punch and I think is really effective for most people. And so what's going to happen is you're going to take it out. It's pretty much ready to use right out of the box. You can take out these two attachments that come in and it literally just slides right in. A little bit of a rubber gasket, so you just have to push it all the way through. And then there's a back power button that we just hold for a few seconds. You'll see the device light up. This is also a battery indicator, so this will turn orange and then red when the battery goes down. Bright green when it is high battery, so it comes out of the box, looks like about 75% battery. And then to turn it on, all we have to do is just hit that back button. You'll see there's a light that indicates our level, and the machine starts right up. And so for me, one of my favorite things to do is use it on my forearms after treatment. So after I'm doing a lot of work with my hands all day, doing a lot of adjusting and soft tissue work, it's good for me to recover and do this on my forearms, my hands. So anyone that works with their hands, anyone doing physical work throughout the day, even our computer workers, our typers, we all know how sore and tight our hands and wrists get. It feels amazing to come in here and release your hand muscles, and even the vibration feels good because it kind of numbs out any of that soreness and tension that you're feeling. And then you'll see the machine actually working into the tissue. It's actually creating a percussive massage into my tissue here. So in with this, we get the flat head attachment. We have level 2, level 3 in the device, so it actually gets pretty strong and can withstand a good amount of force here, as you can see. To turn it off, we just cycle all the way back through, and then to turn the device fully off, we just hold the bottom button there. Taking this out is pretty easy. We just switch attachments. We also have a more distinct or focal attachment. This will be good for maybe between even hand joints, right? To get a little bit more pinpoint if we want to be a little bit more exact. Sometimes even for our knee, we want to go around our kneecap. We can get a little bit more specific with the attachment here. And then we get a charger for it and some attachments if we travel internationally. They have marketed this for travel, so this is absolutely acceptable to bring with you. You have to bring it on a carry-on, so because of the battery, they want you to bring it up above with you on the plane. But great for travel. This is something I brought with me pretty much everywhere I go. So, thank you for watching. The Hypervolt is one of my favorite devices. It's something that I use here in the clinic daily. I think the Go 2 is a brilliant model. It's actually on sale right now for $129 and available in the clinic immediately.